Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest. It's Aaron, the founder of Fair Figure. Aaron, good to have you today.
Yeah, Josh, thanks so much for having me on the channel.
Yeah, definitely appreciate it. We've been trying to get this meeting and interview together for a while now. And if you just want to start off, tell the viewers a little bit about yourself and then a little bit about Fair Figure, since it's a fairly new fintech. So just to kind of let you take it over.
Yeah, that's our goal to kind of create that credit karma for the business owner. There's a lot of great tools out there for businesses to access funding and capital, but there's not a lot of options for that brand new business. And I always like to say, our ideal customer who we want to work with is, that hairstylist that wants to open her own salon, that truck driver that wants to go open a dispatch center, maybe get their own truck. This is someone that just formed their LLC, they got their company set up, their website, and they go, okay, what's next? Where do I go? And there's just not a lot of resources for, customers and businesses like that. So that's kind of where Fair Figure came from. My background is in computer engineering. I've been in the fintech space for maybe 10 years now. We kicked off Fair Figure in 2021, so it's probably like 2 years of development. That is programming, coding, acquiring banking licenses, stuff like that. So I believe in September is when we first started funding actual accounts and cards.
Aaron, if you want to just kind of tell them differences on the two different, I guess the three different, the fund deck, who you report to, what you get, the free version, paid version.
Yeah, we have two products. Well, I guess three of them because one of them is technically free. Today, you can go on the Fair Figure platform for free, type in your company information, and you're going to get access to your Creditsafe report and something we call the Fundex score. And the Fundex score is our own proprietary scoring model. That's your likelihood of 1 to 100% of getting funding today for your business. It's not meant to replace your business credit score, but it's meant to augment or use in tandem with your business credit score. So whenever you're going to apply, those final checks and everything's ready to go. You know that you're going to get a swift approval. The business credit scores are reporting on a monthly basis. The Fundex is reporting on a daily. So you can have great business credit scores, but maybe you missed a payment, maybe a check bounce, something like that. We're going to alert you to that before the underwriter is going to be able to see it. So it's just that final check before applying for funding. So that's available on the free tier. We also have a premium tier. It's at $29.99 a month. You're going to get access to your Equifax commercial reports, your Creditsafe reports, as well as your Fundex. We also provide you with your Tri-Bureau Vantage 3 scores, so your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, with the identity theft protection. What's really cool about the premium program is that it's reporting as a utility trade line in your business credit. So if you're a new business, you're looking to get some diversity in your trade lines outside of the traditional net 30s, it's just a great product to kind of add into the mix of your business credit profile.
Just to clarify things, so there's the free version, and that's you get the credit safe profile and the Fundex score,
Mhm.
and then there's the premium version, and that's $29.95 a month. But with our special link, that exclusive discount, you'll get 50% off for the first 2 months. So definitely make sure you use that link. For that, that's going to be reported also as a trade line. So essentially, if you get approved, that's going to be two different trade lines being reported, correct?
Yeah, so we have the premium monitor. You could also apply for capital, the Fair Figure Capital card. So it'll be two different trade lines. With the card program, it's a little bit different than these cards you're seeing out on the market. You have your Divvy, you have your Brex, Ramp, stuff like that. There's going to be for your higher limits. This card, the Fair Figure Capital card, really is for that new business looking to get their first starter card. So with the Fundex score of 30, you could apply. So it's very minimal. I think to get a 30 Fundex score, you probably need like 2,500 a month in deposits and just no derogatory trades on your file. You'll get an offer. This is a low funding amount. The intent of the card is to build your business credit scores, not to give you $20,000. So you could check between $250 and $1,000. That gets funded to the card instantly. You could use that in your Apple Pay, Google Pay. We also send you a physical card in the mail. You can select your payment terms on that. So it'll be either a 4 or 8 week term. So those weekly payments will come out. You pay off the card. At the end of it, you could renew, or you could just use the card as a debit card if you'd like. So that's the intention, to increase funding over time based on responsible payment habits. What we'd like to see though is, as we're working with the bureaus, we're doing some tests, making sure that everything that we're doing with the card is for the advantage of you, the customer. So we don't want to make any big program changes without doing experiments first, because there could be a possibility where, you have $1,000 limit, it increases to 10,000, and then for some reason to bring it down to 1,000, it could impact your score. So we're
Right.
very careful
True.
what we're doing with the program, and we're running internal experiments with the bureaus to make sure that everything we're doing is to benefit you if you're making your payments on time.
So if you can
Yeah,
just touch
I'd
on
say
that, and we'll close it up.
yeah, I'd say if you're brand new, come on in. If you're more established, still come on in. If you're a new business, you just started a month ago. I know it's January, new year, new me. You probably don't have a few months of banking history yet, but you will. And I think it's important to get in here, start building those trade experiences, and make sure all your data is aligned. So what's the data on the Secretary of State? Is it matching with what the bureaus have? So that's a really helpful tool for that new business. And if you've been around for 3 or 4 months and you kind of want to get some funding, your first card, it's a great resource for you as well.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Well, it sounds exciting, and I know there's other features and things that you guys have in the works behind the scene that you've
Mhm.
already we've already spoke about. I don't want to, tell anything about that. You guys just have to stay
Yeah,
tuned. I'm
we're
sure we'll do a follow-up videos here very soon too with other things.
we're we're doing weekly rollouts, but Josh will be the first to know, so we'll let you know before we push something. So we're very, very excited about what's coming up this year.
Yeah, definitely. All right, I think that's it. Again, you guys just use the link in the description below and use the promo code GBC, GBC50, I think, right?
Yeah, GBC 50.
Yeah, and that will get you the 50% off the first 2 months for the premium version. And that's definitely going to help your business credit for sure. I definitely recommend it. All right, thanks so much, Aaron, for coming on, and look forward to seeing what the future holds.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having me.
All right. Take care. Bye bye.